Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Nubia Red Magic 7. So in order to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Now let's start search for an app and enter Notify Buddy. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. First one is phone permission, simply allow it. Next one is overlay permission. Here find Notify Buddy, allow display over the other apps, move back. Notification permission, do the same. And the last one is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step, click OK, and from here we can start using this app. So you can see 4 tabs down here. Those are User, System, Active, and Settings. In the User, you can choose any app to allow custom LED lamp notifications for, so let's get the weather. In the System, there's all system-bound apps. Here we can select the calendar. In the Active, you can find all apps that you've just activated. And in the Settings, you can change everything about this LED lamp. So you can change the size, shape, placement on the screen, color, time between blinkings, all kinds of stuff like that. But some of the settings are locked behind the premium version of this app. So now let's click on the test. And right here we'll be able to see this LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.